The town day, all you think about is food and relaxing, but in reality I gotta have to do laundry, charge all my stuff, organize my stuff, maybe get a new pillow, and then maybe I can eat. The ball's
draining the water now.
Taco Bell.
And a second lunch too.
Now I gotta wait around to charge up all my stuff.
There's a little time left over. I get to explore Idlewild. More good food. This is the hiker store here. I'm gonna go get myself some new insoles, so I'll be ready to hit the trail tomorrow.
Max is the mayor of Idlewild. He's our second mayor. He's been the mayor for 9 years. His uncle was the mayor before that. His uncle died in office of old age 9 years ago. Max was grandfathered in as an 11-week-old puppy. And then in the third voted election in Idlewild, they made him mayor for life. The mayor is the only politician in the world trained to close his mouth on command. Close your mouth all the way. You're amazing!
Someone's tired of getting stuck behind slow people. Check out this really intricately carved sign. Pretty neat. And more wood carving.
Pretty good.
Meet my first tramley on the PCT. We have wild turkey, red stripe, smokestack, and ricochet. Lunar eclipse tonight. Catch you guys next episode.